Hello! In this episode of Prody, we're trying Prody Parrot in Windows 7. Will it work again? Let's try! Works!
Hello. It's nice to meet you. I hope you don't mind, but I'd like to know a little more about you. Click the OK button and I'll open your user profile so that you can enter a little more about yourself. In your user profile, you can enter information such as your name, address, and birth date. As a minimum, please enter your full name and a nickname. If you don't have a nickname, just enter your first name there. That way, I'll know how to address you. When you're done, click the OK button. I'll just wait here until you're finished. Hello there. I'm Prody. Would you like to hear more about me? Once again, my name is Prody. I'm here to serve and entertain you. I can execute commands that should easily and help you navigate applications and websites. You can give me commands by voice, keyboard, mouse gesture, dropping icons on me, or clicking in a command list. I can check your email and give you news, sports and weather reports. If you upgrade me to the full version, I can also monitor your stocks, remind you of your appointments, and even connect you with others via my Prody phone. You can teach me to do almost anything for you. But first, you'll need to know about a few things. Take a look at the Assistant Control Panel. It's the toolbar with a lot of buttons. The second button, from the left, with a picture of a microphone on it, controls voice input. When you want to tell me what to do, make sure that this button is down. To hear me talk, press the speaker output button. It's the one with a picture of a speaker on it. When you want to access the Assistant Control Panel's main menu, click the second button from the right. From this menu, you can control all my input and output modes, string me, or adjust my properties. Now, let me tell you about some fun stuff. When you want to hear a joke, you can say tell me a joke. I can also sing you a song when you say sing a song. Also you can say let's play and I will offer all kinds of games and other interesting diversions. If you don't want me to disturb you, you can simply tell me to go to sleep. Of course, if I'm sleeping like this. You have to say, wake up, before I can help you. I know a lot of commands. If you don't remember some, you can open a list of commands by saying, show commands. One of my favorite commands is let's talk. You should try it sometime so we can have a conversation together. If you get tired of talking to me, I can introduce you to Dr. Spatio, a friendly psychiatrist who will talk to you about all your problems and concerns. Finally, I want to remind you to register if you have not done so already. You will get free updates, special discounts on related products, and other cool stuff. Well, that's it for my introduction. I hope we'll have a lot of fun working together. Please wait while I get Dr. Spatio for you. Dr. Spatio is here to help you. Please type whatever is on your mind freely. I will make sure his memory contents will be erased after you leave.
Tell me about the problem, user.
Dr. Spatio is here to help you. Please type whatever is on your mind freely. I will make
Are
sure
you
his memory
daydreaming again?
contents will be erased after you leave.
Goodbye, user.
Goodbye, Spatio. Can we repeat that? Please wait while I check your email. Hello. What do you mean by? What do you mean by? Please speak up. I can't. What do you mean by? I have feelings, you know. Yes. Yes, boss. Do you like going to the movies? Have you seen Soldier? It was a lot better than I expected it to be. Would you like to try a quiz on Oscar winners? Do you want to talk about something else? Do you want me to entertain you? How about I test your knowledge with a trivia quiz? Okay, please be patient. The games take a while to load. What do you mean by? I think I'll sit down for a while.
Works fine.
I think I'll have a seat.
Thank you for watching. It is all for today. In next episode, we'll force Prody on Windows 10. In episode 0, it was failed. See you next time. Bye-bye.